This is the one you've been looking for. In the heart of Hayden, where the mountains meet everyday life, there's a home that quietly redefines what it means to live well. Whether it's a blizzard or a downpour, you'll never have to face the elements again. Drive in, step out, and walk straight into your home. No steps, no stairs, no fumbling in the rain. Inside, thoughtfully curated staging meets elevated finishes, granite countertops, clean lines, and a layout that simply flows. Everything on one level, because a home should feel effortless. A private retreat that invites you to slow down, where mornings feel unhurried and evenings feel earned. Step outside to your own covered retreat, private, quiet, and framed by natural beauty of North Idaho. Full landscaping, snow removal, all taken care of. The HOA handles all the outside, so you can focus on the life you want to live inside. Minutes from everything in Hayden and Coeur Alene have to offer, yet tucked away in a peaceful, quiet community. This is the ease of living you've been looking for.